Hi guys, so I have the Singer one and for the life of me couldn't figure out how to thread the needle, and I watched the limited amount of videos that they do have on the machine and still couldn't figure it out. So I played with it and I figured it out. So I'm here today to share with you how to do it with no problems. I've even seen videos where people automatically do it manually do it because they couldn't figure it out, so they manually thread the needle like there's no automatic feeder. So here we are. So you see this on the side. I'm very new to sewing and I have yet to figure out everything, so I'm not even gonna give this thing a name, but I know it drops this down when you do it. Okay, so being that said, I'm gonna position the camera here so you can see very close how I did it. Okay, so let's see. Sorry, this is my first video also. Okay, so here I took the thread and put it here under these two, and then I slowly lowered this down and I kept this kind of tight and then push it all up, and then voila, it loops. If you look here, there it is. And all you have to do is just find something, or with your finger if you're that good, and just drag it on out, and voila. For the Singer one, this is how you do the automatic threader. It is very confusing at first, but I guess the trick is to lower this as you're doing it slowly and bring it down all the way and hold it there, and then boom, it's done. All right, thank you. Don't forget to hit like.